Do you know your Toyota has hidden features you've probably never used? Many owners drive every day without realizing how much functionality is already built into the car from factory settings. These aren't modifications or add-ons, but built-in systems designed to improve convenience, safety, fuel efficiency, and overall driving comfort. From smarter parking assistance to subtle energy saving and protection features, Toyota includes small but powerful tools that quietly enhance the ownership experience. Most of them go unused simply because they're never explained, but once you understand them, they completely change how the car feels in everyday driving. Ever wish you had a clearer view of the curb or parking lines when reversing into a tight spot? Many Toyota models already have a built-in solution for that called mirror tilt in reverse. When you shift into reverse, the side mirrors can automatically angle downward, giving you a better view of the ground near your wheels and making it much easier to avoid curbs, scratches, or misjudging your parking position. What most drivers don't realize is that it isn't a fixed setting. You can adjust the mirror angle while reversing to match exactly what works best for you, and the system will remember it. From that point on, every time you select reverse, the mirrors return to that saved position, then automatically shift back to normal once you go back into drive. It's a small but powerful convenience feature that makes parking feel far more controlled and confident, especially in tight or crowded spaces. You'll typically find it in higher trims like the Camry XLE, RAV4 Limited, and Highlander Platinum, yet many owners still drive with it completely unused. Most drivers use the air conditioning system in their Toyota without realizing it has a deeper function built into it. Beyond simply cooling the cabin, there's a lesser-known behavior in the air recirculation system that can noticeably improve air quality inside the car. When you press the recirculation button, the system stops pulling in outside air and begins cycling the air already inside the cabin, which is the standard function most people are familiar with. However, in some Toyota models, holding that same button for a few seconds can trigger a more intensive airflow cycle through the cabin air filter. At that point, the system increases how quickly air is processed, helping it clear out lingering odors, smoke, dust, or pollen more effectively. This becomes especially useful after driving in heavy traffic, parking under the sun, or passing through dusty or polluted environments. The result is a cabin that refreshes faster and feels noticeably cleaner without needing any sprays or external products. When combined with a higher quality cabin air filter, especially one designed for finer particles or odor control, the improvement becomes even more noticeable during everyday driving. It's a subtle feature, often overlooked because it isn't clearly labeled, but once you know it exists, it becomes a simple way to keep your Toyota's interior consistently fresher and more comfortable. Push-button start systems are designed for convenience, but they can quickly become a problem when the key fob battery dies. In that moment, it can feel like the car is completely unresponsive. What most Toyota owners don't realize is that there's a built-in backup system designed specifically for this situation. Even when the key fob battery is dead, your Toyota can still recognize it through a short-range signal. In some models, there's also a hidden key slot near the steering column or integrated into the start button area, which is why many drivers never notice it. But even without a visible slot, there's still a fallback method. By pressing the key fob directly against the start button while holding the brake, the car can detect it through close contact communication and allow the engine to start without relying on the fob battery. It's a simple but critical backup that completely changes what would otherwise be a stressful situation. This system is built into many Toyota models like the Camry, Corolla, RAV4, and Prius, ensuring that a dead key fob doesn't leave you stranded whether you're at home, in a parking lot, or far from help. It's one of those hidden details you barely think about until the exact moment you need it. And then it quietly proves how reliable the system really is. There's a layer of protection in many Toyota models that most drivers rarely think about until it's actually needed. It's called Toyota Safety Connect, and it works like a built-in emergency support system that stays active in the background every time you drive. Inside the cabin, usually near the rearview mirror, there's an SOS button that can instantly connect you to a live response agent who can dispatch roadside assistance, police, or medical help directly to your exact location when time matters and using a phone isn't realistic. What makes it even more important is what happens in situations where you can't press the button at all. In a serious collision, the system can automatically detect the impact, send an alert on your behalf, and trigger a response process where an agent may attempt to communicate through the car's speakers, while emergency services are directed to your GPS location. It also extends beyond accidents, because if the vehicle is ever stolen, it can assist authorities in tracking and recovering it using real-time location data once a report is filed. It's not something most people interact with daily, and after the trial period it may require a subscription, which is why many owners overlook it entirely. But in critical moments, it shifts from being an ignored feature to a system that can genuinely make a difference when every second counts. Parking in tight spaces can quickly become stressful, especially in crowded areas where visibility is limited. But in many Toyota models, there are built-in tools designed to remove that pressure entirely, working quietly in the background to guide every movement with precision. One of the most useful is the bird's-eye view camera, which combines multiple camera angles to create a full overhead view of the vehicle. This gives you a clear perspective of your surroundings, including curbs, parking lines, and nearby obstacles, making it far easier to position the car accurately. Beyond that, many drivers never explore the deeper view options, where the display can shift to show a closer angle of the wheels while parking, helping you line up more precisely and avoid curb damage that's hard to judge from the driver's seat. In some models, there's also an automated parking assist system that can take over steering once activated through the infotainment settings, guiding the car smoothly into a space while you control braking and acceleration. It works in a controlled, step-by-step way that reduces guesswork and improves accuracy in tight situations. These features are commonly found in higher trims of models like the Camry, RAV4, and Highlander, but many owners never use them simply because they don't realize how capable they are. Once understood, they completely change parking from a stressful task into something far more controlled and effortless. One of the most overlooked concerns for any car owner is what happens when the vehicle sits unused for days or even weeks. Even with the engine off, small electrical systems continue drawing power in the background, and over time, that slow drain can reduce battery charge without any clear warning. To manage this, some Toyota models include a built-in battery-saving behavior that helps limit unnecessary power consumption when the car is parked for long periods. It isn't a feature most drivers see on the dashboard, which is why it often goes unnoticed and is usually only discovered through experience or shared owner knowledge. In certain cases, it can be activated through a specific key fob sequence, after which the vehicle reduces background electrical activity and limits non-essential functions like passive key sensing and other standby systems. The purpose is straightforward: preserve battery life while the car is not being used. This becomes especially helpful when the vehicle is left at an airport, stored during travel, or simply not driven for extended periods. Instead of returning to a dead battery, the system helps maintain enough charge for a normal start when you return. It doesn't replace proper battery care, but it adds an extra layer of protection in real-world situations where cars naturally sit idle longer than expected, working quietly in the background until it's needed.